Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home appliance parts and accessories. Today, we're diving into the upgraded Samsung Dryer Repair Kit, and let me tell you, this is the best Samsung Dryer Tension Pulley you'll find. If you're dealing with a squeaky, noisy, or malfunctioning dryer, this kit could be the solution you've been searching for. First, let's talk about what's included in the package. The quality of the materials used here is impressive. The rollers are built to be strong, wear-resistant, and designed for quiet operation. You'll notice the difference in how your dryer runs once these parts are installed. What really stands out with this kit is the upgraded belt. The 66020011655 dryer belt is twice as thick as the original, making it far more durable and longer lasting. This is a crucial part of the repair, as the belt is responsible for driving the drum, and with this thicker belt, you can expect better performance. The idler pulley is also an essential component in keeping the dryer drum running smoothly. The triangular design of the pulley's center ensures that it remains firm and stable, which helps in minimizing any wobble or noise that could be causing issues with your dryer's operation. It's the kind of upgrade that will extend the life of your dryer and make your laundry days a lot less frustrating. Now, let's talk about installation. This kit is designed for easy installation, and while it's always a good idea to watch a tutorial video beforehand, it's straightforward enough for most DIY enthusiasts. If you're handy around the house, you should be able to install this kit in no time, saving you money on repair bills. One of the main issues this kit addresses is the common problem of dryers that won't tumble or spin properly, or dryers that refuse to start altogether. If you've been hearing strange noises or dealing with a dryer that just doesn't perform the way it used to, this kit will help fix those problems. The upgraded components will reduce noise, ensure the drum turns smoothly, and restore full functionality to your dryer. What sets this kit apart is the attention to quality. The manufacturer, MONKEMON, has clearly put a lot of thought into the design and materials used. They have tested their products beyond the typical OEM standards, so you can rest assured that you're getting top-tier parts. Plus, with a 1-year warranty, you're covered if anything goes wrong. To wrap it up, the upgraded Samsung Dryer Repair Kit is the ultimate solution for anyone dealing with issues related to their Samsung dryer. It includes high-quality parts that are built to last, and it will help restore your dryer to its optimal performance. If you want a quieter, more efficient dryer, this kit is the way to go. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great product reviews.